Hey everyone, it's Rick. Hey, this is going to be another online auction tool haul that I won. Screwdriver day. Here's the first one. This is an Expert. Big screwdriver. E160104. E160104. And that's not a 6.5, that's a 6,5 X250. I'm assuming 250 millimeters. Let's check the length from 0. 14.5 inches. Expert. I'm not sure this screwdriver has ever been used. Hey guys, as you see these screwdrivers, let me know if you want me to sell them in a lot or if I should sell them individually. eBay page, Rick sells tools, Rick sells tools. All these screwdrivers will be for sale on eBay. It's a cool little set. Here we go. Mac Tools. Just trying to get the focus. Mac Tools. PM11R P1. PM11R P1. Phillips. PM11R. Here's its counterpart. This one's hard to read. It looks like it says PNM1R. So I can get you to see that. PNM1R, and below it says 1/4 inch. PNM1R 1/4 inch. Mac. Very lightly used screwdriver. These I'll definitely sell in a pair. Those two. Should I sell it with this one also? Should I sell these three together? Mac Tools. This has been used a little bit. And then the number is ST30B T30x4 inch. One more time, ST30B T30x4 inch. Mac. There's the tip. Looks pretty good to me. I think the handle's more used than the tool was. That's really cool how Mac sometimes, so when you have your screwdriver stored, you know what it is before you pull it out. So here's the pink. I don't know if this was for breast cancer awareness. Mac Tools. This one's really, really, really hard to read. PNRB 4CP. PNRB 4CP USA. PNRB 4CP USA. Right there. Pink. I don't think this screwdriver has ever been used. Shorty. Craftsman. 41585. WF for Western Forge. 41585. Craftsman. 1/4 inch forged USA. 1/4 inch forged USA. You screwdriver experts out there could fix that tip in 2 seconds. There you go. How long is this? Long, because this is 15 inches. So about 16 inches. Two more screwdrivers. Mac Tools. Is any writing on the handle other than that? Nope, Mac Tools. It's got the driver on it. Uh-oh, I guess it's flat blade or slotted. Number is really unbelievably hard to read. PKRB8CO. PKRB8CO USA. Again, all of these will be for sale on eBay. Rick Sells Tools. Go there and check out all my listings. Last screwdriver. Another monster. Mac Tools. P82084AR. P82084AR. Huge Phillips. These will be listed shortly on eBay. Hopefully by the time you see this video, they'll be listed. Reach out anytime. Rick Sells Tools. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon.